It cuts probably 2.5 meters wide, and you'll see the grass that it's cut. I mean, this has got rotary cutters on it, so they cut like a scissor rather than what we've previously done, which is like having a thrasher underneath and just rips the grass. This actually cuts it, and single cylinder motor, full start, no batteries, no headlights, no safety switches. I mean, I love it. If the motor caves on it, you just go and buy a single cylinder 10 horsepower Honda and bolt it on the frame and off you go again. Pretty easy. But we call it the grasshopper. We figure it looks like one. But look how it cuts the grass. Bloody amazing. We've been mucking around with those other crap things for all those years. This is a Baroness. It's made in Japan, and they actually make them for golf course work. They don't supply residentially. Well, of course they do, but they try to manufacture for golf courses, and they supply mowers for bowling greens and that sort of thing. But the blades are a bit heavy for Susie and I to get up. I'll probably get a bit of pipe so I've got some extra leverage. But yeah, very happy. So we'll sell the Craftsman. Susie, tell the people what you think, dear.
Good afternoon everyone สวัสดีค่ะทุกท่านเมื่อเย็นวาน yesterday evening 5:30 p.m. mechanic Viman and his wife had delivery Baroness lawn mower, the new one for us. We are very impressed. You can have a look how it works. Very beautiful working like that. I like it. And he had demonstration for us about 1 hour, and after that he left. And John have impressed this machine a lot.
I mean, it's just such a simple plan. There's virtually nothing to break on it. Unlike your John Deere's and Craftsman, which are just absolute crap. The John Deere would be another Craftsman. We just would have got 10 years use out of it before we started hitting major trouble, I would have thought. But this really gives a really nice cut to the grass as well, and it's not very fast. I'm only using first gear. It's got 2 more gears, but the steering is very direct, so you've got really good control and a really good finish on the grass itself.
Yeah, look like this Baroness lawn mower, this one will be stay with us, last long. It's gentle and nothing too broken, easy, not have battery, manual, and work well. Cut the grass is tidy and beautiful, look like the football field. He have impressed with the Baroness lawn mower. Can see his file, my husband John. That for this morning.
Well, I cut about 1.5 rye in 5 minutes. I mean, it just cut so wide.
Thank you, Mechanic Viman and Nong Mem. Yesterday to delivery Bolognese lawn mower to our house. ขอบคุณค่ะน้องแหม่มกับช่างวิมาน
And unlike the rotary Craftsman John Deere style of mower, you can cut wet grass with this. I mean, it's easy to much easier to clean. You don't have to climb underneath it and put it on bloody ramps and worry about grass getting clogged up.
Thai Aussie lifestyle for John and Susie in Chiang Mai. We are happy to show our lifestyle, and I hope this video make everyone happy and enjoy with us. If you like, please subscribe for us. Much appreciated.
Yeah, and if you don't want to subscribe, as usual, just send money. I mean, I'm more than happy with that. Just put it in a plain addressed envelope, and man, we'll be so thankful. You guys have a really good day. Stay safe, and I'll get to work finishing off the Craftsman so I can have a new owner.
Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Bye bye.
Bye, guys and girls. See you later.